The Commission, together with the European Investment Bank, pledged $5.5 billion. The United States, Germany, Canada and Qatar also made pledges. 40 governments took part in the summit. The President of the European Commission, Ursula von der Leyen, said it would be just plain wrong for any country to think it could beat COVID-19 by vaccinating its own people while neglecting others.
We need to rebuild communities devastated by coronavirus in a fair and in a just way. And this is why I'm happy to announce that Team Europe today pledges another 4.9 billion euros to help vulnerable countries finance their recovery from the pandemic. This is thanks to the close partnership between the European Commission and the European Investment Bank. First, we need a vaccine. Then we need to make this vaccine affordable. And for that, I'm trying to convince high-income countries to reserve vaccines not only for themselves, but also for low- and middle-income countries. And this is what our campaign, Global Goal, Unite for Our Future, is all about. This is a stress test for solidarity. And this event here gives me hope.
Other European leaders, including French President Emmanuel Macron, German Chancellor Angela Merkel and British Prime Minister Boris Johnson also recorded video messages pledging to work together.
And if and when an effective vaccine is found, wherever it is found, whoever finds it, then we, as world leaders, have a moral duty to ensure that it is truly available to all, because this pandemic threatens every one of us. Defeating it is the most important shared endeavour of our times, and when we do so, it will not be a victory for one nation, but a triumph for all humanity.
Aujourd'hui, c'est une nouvelle étape qui commence. Nous devons rassembler, amplifier nos efforts pour que le vaccin, les traitements, nos systèmes de santé en général nous protègent vite et mieux face au Covid. Cette action partagée est notre bien commun. Alors, mobilisons-nous. Refusons le chacun pour soi. Continuons à avancer ensemble. La France et l'Europe sont au rendez-vous aujourd'hui et continueront à l'être demain.
Wir brauchen noch stärkere globale Anstrengungen. Deutschland stellt deshalb noch einmal 383 Millionen Euro bereit, zusätzlich zu den am 4. Mai zugesagten Mitteln. 150 Millionen Euro davon haben wir für den Krisenreaktionsmechanismus des globalen Fonds vorgesehen. Wir müssen den Menschen in den Entwicklungsländern helfen, die Folgen der Pandemie zu bewältigen. Dafür wird Deutschland das Krisennetzwerk von Global Citizen mit 233 Millionen Euro unterstützen. Wir können die Corona-Pandemie und ihre Folgen nur gemeinsam meistern. Deutschland wird sich weiter tatkräftig einbringen.
The money will be used for COVID-19 tests, treatments and vaccines, and also to support the world's poorest and most marginalized communities. The pledging summit also included a globally televised and streamed fundraising concert featuring Miley Cyrus, Justin Bieber, Shakira, Asha and others.
The head of the World Health Organization, Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, has reiterated that a vaccine for the virus should be treated as a global public good. He was speaking during the Global Citizens Global Goals Summit earlier today.
Today, we stand united as never before by a common challenge. COVID-19 threatens not just people's health, but our common humanity. We must keep rising to this challenge. People need to keep striving to suppress transmission, from physical distancing to practicing proper hygiene. Governments must keep testing, contact tracing, communicating, and more to stop the spread. And the world must accelerate efforts to develop life-saving tools, including a vaccine. To be truly effective, vaccines, treatments, and diagnostics must be affordable and accessible to all, especially the most vulnerable. That's why WHO is working with the European Commission and other partners through the Access to COVID-19 Tools Accelerator. And we're proud to partner in today's pledging conference By working together in a spirit of solidarity, we will save lives and defeat COVID-19.